If you're using smudge-free and you don't remember what the last manicure was that you did with it, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you have some paper towels and wipe off your brush. So just wipe it clean. Now the reason why that's important is because sometimes when we stamp, there are leftover bits that are hanging off the sides of our nails. You see this? These tiny little bits that are hanging off on the side are the things that get trapped in your bristles and cause smudging when you apply your top coat at a later time. And then later, when you try to top coat something else, you'll notice that there's these streaks and you're like, wait a minute, why are there streaks in my smudge-free? I thought it's supposed to be smudge-free. So that is the very first thing that I want to recommend to all of you, especially if you're working with powders or black. Make sure you wipe your brush.